Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to take a quick look at this little electronic load that I picked up on eBay. This is an XY-FZ35 electronic load, 35 watts. It'll do from 1.5 to 25 volts and up to, I believe, about 5 amps. Modules are all over eBay. They're pretty cheap. I think it was about $25 or so. So I threw it into one of these enclosures like I do with a lot of things. Got some binding posts on the front, power switch. If we look at the back, added copious ventilation. The electronic load has a little fan on it, so it's going to want to suck some air in and cool things off. And it's all powered by an old laptop power supply. That was good for 20 volts and 6 amps, so it's definitely got enough power behind it to work. So far it looks like a good good little load, good for testing, batteries, small circuits and whatnot. We'll fire it up a bit here. I have another of these modules. This is a little power supply module, and it's in a 3D printed case I picked up off of Etsy. And let me move this over. And it lets you use a DeWalt 20-volt battery. So I got a little portable power supply now that can do up to like 35 volts and a couple amps if I want. So let's just hook this up here quick little test. So right now, this is set for, if you can see at the bottom, it's set for 10 volts, and it'll support a maximum of 2.5 amps. So let's turn it on. And we can see on the load, it sees 10.4 volts. This is showing 10 volts, so that looks good. We have it set for 100 milliamps, and this is showing that it's drawing 100 milliamps. So if we crank this up a little bit, let's go up to 500 milliamps, and we can see 498. It's being pulled from the supply. Let's go up a little more. Let's go up to an amp here. Still looks good. Let's go up to, so if you can hear that, the fan's just going on in the electronic load. We're pulling 1.25 amps, shows 1.25 amps. And we'll go up to 1.5 amps. And 1.5 amps, and we're up to 1.5 amps. This little power supply also has a little fan in it. The temperature gets hot enough, little indicator showing the temperature here. And if we drop the voltage down here, so we dropped it down to 5 volts, and this is putting out 4.99. We see 4.85. I mean, I don't expect the accuracy of these to be super good. But it's close enough for, like I said, checking battery capacity, stuff like that. Turn that off. And we can see the voltages drop down to 0 there. So that's it. Like I said, I'm not going to open this up. There's really nothing to see in it. It's literally, it's a laptop power supply going to the module to the binding post, and that's it. All right, quick look at this. This will be useful. Again, one of these things I'm not going to use all the time, so I don't have it in a enclosure that I'm going to put on the bench. So we'll just we'll end it here. Questions, comments, put them below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.